Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia smartphone. Start by going into settings and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and install this completely free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. Then choose Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Nokia's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!